Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the king's Indian defense as black. First, understand that black's primary goal is to launch a powerful attack on the king side. This defense is characterized by a unique pawn structure and the development of the dark-squared bishop to g7. You'll often see black preparing central pawn breaks to open lines and create dynamic play, leading to exciting positions. To begin, black typically plays d6, followed by nf6, g6, and then fianchettos the dark-squared bishop to g7. After castling kingside, you've established a robust and flexible pawn structure. This setup allows black to control key central squares indirectly while preparing for future pawn advances. The goal is to create a strong fortress on the kingside and prepare for counterplay. In the middle game, black's strategy revolves around creating dynamic play. Focus on pawn breaks such as e5 or c5 to challenge white's central control and open lines for your pieces. Actively maneuver your knights to strong outposts like f4 or c4, where they can exert significant pressure. Simultaneously, prepare a kingside attack by bringing your rooks and queen into the action, aiming for white's king. The king's Indian defense often features exciting tactical possibilities. Don't shy away from kingside sacrifices, as they can dramatically open lines and lead to decisive attacks. Your dark-squared bishop on g7 is a very powerful piece, often becoming a long-range sniper. Always be vigilant for white's central counterplay, especially pawn pushes like e4 versus e5, and ensure your king remains safe amidst the action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.